Hi, I'm Patrick Barone of the Barone Defense Firm, located in Birmingham, Michigan, and I'm here to talk to you about how to beat a breath test. That's a question we get all the time from our clients. They come into our office, they've blown over the legal limit, and they want to know how we're going to beat that breath test. And I'm here to tell you, there are dozens of ways to beat the breath test in Michigan. The Michigan breath test machine is called the Data Master, and that machine makes mistakes. Not only does the machine make mistakes, but the operator of the machine makes mistakes. That's two of the three categories. The third category are medical problems. Okay? There's more than 100 ways to beat a breath test. I've written about them right here in my book, Defending Drinking Drivers. And I'm going to talk to you a little bit about them right now. Machine-based problems. In order for that machine to be working properly, it has to be maintained properly. And the police have to keep logs on the maintenance. Sometimes we can find those logs, we can find mistakes in those logs, and we can capitalize on those mistakes to show that the breath test in your case is wrong. Now, if we can't find that kind of a problem, then we're going to look at the videotape, we're going to get the cop on the stand, and we're going to ask that cop questions. We're going to show that the cop made a mistake in administering the breath test. Trust me, happens all the time. The cops make mistakes. They don't follow their own rules in administering that test. If we can show that the cop made a mistake, we can beat that breath test. The third category of potential defenses are medical issues. There's lots of potential medical issues that can cause problems with the breath test. That's why in our office we have a very detailed medical questionnaire we're going to ask you to fill out. The purpose of that is to help us spot medical issues that can cause problems with your breath test. For example, any issue with your digestive system, any issue with your respiratory system, potentially can cause a problem with the breath test. If you had a temperature at the time you took that breath test, that can cause an inflated result. What we're looking for is a medical condition that caused a false result in your case. If we find that, we know what to do. We know how to capitalize with that problem in front of the judge and in front of the jury to beat the breath test in your case. Now, if you want to learn more, go to my website, drunkdrivinginmichigan.com. Drunkdrivinginmichigan.com. There's lots of information there. There's information in my book.